How to cancel Google One subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Google One account and sign up to it. After that, you would be able to find this option of gear at the top right hand side corner. Simply click on settings and wait for it to load. After that, you would be able to find these three options and not the option of cancel membership. And there might be two reasons behind it. The first one being that you don't have the subscription in the first place, so you won't be able to see the cancel subscription. Second reason could be that you are trying to open it up on your browser and on your laptop or PC. Just simply do this on your mobile device and you would be able to find this particular option of cancel membership. And after that, when you select that particular option, it will redirect you to Google Play Store or Apple App Store according to your device. And this way you would be able to cancel it up. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.